Good day everyone, today I'm gonna show you the Speed Chess Championship. In the first round, Wesley So versus Vincent Gamer. Today I will show you one game in 5 plus 1 game in 3 plus 1 game in 1 plus 1, and the one game in tiebreak. Let's see. C4 from Vincent, E5, D3, Knight of 6. For your English opening here, Knight of 3, Knight C6, A3, G6. Very normal line. Knight C3, Bishop B7, E4, D6, B4, castles, Bishop E2. So Vincent wants to attack on the queen side. Knight H5, opening, Knight D5, Knight E7 from Wesley. Castles, takes, the Knight F4. The Knight F4. Yeah, Wesley's being aggressive. They're both being aggressive. Takes, Rook C1, Bishop D7, H3, and then A5. So Wesley's being aggressive. D4 takes, Rook E8, Bishop E3, and then G5, Rook E1, H5, Knight H2, and the aggressiveness by Wesley So is making Vincent really nervous. G4, takes, Queen H4 now. Knight H2, takes, Queen D2, Bishop B6, Knight F3. That's a great move. Queen F6, Bishop B1, King G7. Just wow. Okay, forcing the trade, takes, Rook A4, Rook B3, King F6. He's just walking his king. Rook C1, then Rook A1, pinning the bishop. Rook A8, Knight E1, Bishop B5. That's a mistake from Wesley. That's his first mistake of the game. And then a blunder from Vincent Gamer. Now you can play Rook, but Rook A2. Very good move, because now you're pinning, and then there's Rook B2 occurring. But Wesley literally missed it and played King E5. And then a miss again from Vincent. And then finally Wesley plays Rook A2. Rook there, King there, King F6 is literally the only move, by the way. Literally the only move. King D4 is mate, Knight F3, King F6, check, King G7, Knight here. Wow, Wesley ended it with style. You know what? I don't even want to explain this. It's literally just winning. Yep, Vincent is trying his best here, and this gets taken. Now let's show you another game. Now we're gonna show you Vincent Gamer 1. 3 plus 1 section. E4, E5, Knight F3, Knight C6, Bishop B6, Bishop C4, Knight F6, D3. This is normal Italian game line. H6, castles, D6, C3, G5, Knight D2, and then Bishop G7. So Vincent is targeting for the Pianchero, Bishop B3, A5, Knight C4, Bishop D6, Knight E3, D5, Queen E2, castles, H3, Bishop A4, Bishop C2, Rook A8. Oh, and a mistake from Wesley. And then Vincent finds the right move. Takes because a lot of trading. We have some mistakes going. Vincent is winning. F4, desperately going for it. Now he's down a piece. And then Wesley just resigned. Show you one game that Wesley won in the tiebreaker bullet game. E4. This is bullet, by the way, 1 plus 1. I'm not even want to show. Yes. I didn't recap like my museum because you know it's the first time. Going C4, Knight D2, Bishop E8, Knight F5. Yes, Wesley just winning. Then Vincent lost on that. Now I'm gonna show you the bracket. One is Wesley So advancing to the semi-finals. Magnus won 14.5 out of 8.5 against Jose Martinez. Fabiano's gonna be the last one. Arjun lost to Lasovic 9 to 12. Hans versus Ding is not yet. Alreza defeats Tuamin Lei 16 to 8. Yan versus Anish. Hikaru versus Liam Lee. Wesley versus Wesley. What? So the winner of Hikaru versus Liam Lee will play Wesley, and the winner of Yan versus Anish will play Alreza. The winner of Hans versus Ding will play Dennis. The winner of Fabi versus Prague will will play Magnus. Schedule finish. October 17 is finished of 2:30 a.m. and 11 p.m. here. A couple of hours, 12 hours, we will get the Ikaru. Liam Lee. Also, in the next 10 days, we will have Hans Niemann versus Ding, October 30th, Jan versus Nepo, October 30th, Fabi versus Bragg. So yeah, if you like my content, like it,